after initial setup of the GoPro, now you have to update the camera firmware. And this camera firmware update will resolve issues like minor crashes, accidental shutdown, overheating problem, etc. So for that we have to connect the camera device with the mobile app via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and do few configurations. Also I will show you how to get the serial number of the camera so that it can be registered with the GoPro directly. So let's turn it on. Wow, he's a wonderful man. There's no lag. Okay, let's do the language. By using this GoPro, I agree to the terms of use available to GoPro.com legally. Okay, captures the location where videos and photos are taken. Now I have to download the GoPro app. Okay, let's download it. Let's open the app. Next connect GoPro. Okay, you have to select the camera. There are the drop down. There are lots of camera listed: Hero 8 Max, Hero 7 Hero Fusion, Hero 6 Black, Hero 5 Black. You have to select Hero 7. Just searching for camera. You found your GoPro. Let's connect. Yeah, this is done, man. Explore your new GoPro. Tap the buttons on screen to get to know your camera. Okay, it's done. Let's rename the GoPro in the app. Topse GoPro 7. Done. Also, don't forget to update the app or the firmware in the camera. To get the latest updates, you have to update the firmware. So let's update it. Update camera. Turn on Wi-Fi. Okay, done. Update camera. What are the fixes available? There are general bugs and maybe heating problem, heating issue may be solved, and accidental shutdown. This kind of minor bugs will be resolved after updating. So let's update. reconnecting to Topse GoPro 7. Accept and continue. GoPro Inc. firmware license. It's not possible to read all this, so accept and continue. Transferring files to, so the firmware software is being transferred to the GoPro from my phone. After that it will be installed and updated. So let's wait. So it's now installing the update. Here it is written, please toggle off and on your phone's Wi-Fi. Your GoPro will power off on a few times when the update is complete. Your camera screen will return to, okay, got it. Control your GoPro. Just getting connected with the phone. Trouble connecting to GoPro. Just try to pair the device first with the GoPro app. Okay, let's do it. Let's turn on the Wi-Fi first. Searching for Wi-Fi networks. The Topse GoPro 7. Okay. I have to give password. The password. I have to wireless connections. Connect device, GoPro app, password is written over there. I have to type it up. So you can see this connected now. So finally you can see the GoPro device is now connected with the mobile app. So I can see the mobile also. Wow, man, this is just awesome. There is no lag. There is almost no lag. There is little lag is there, but it's perfect, almost perfect. Wow. You just see. I'm moving the camera, this up and down to the right side and left side, and you can see so you can see you can control the device from your mobile as well. So guys, this is all. Hope you enjoyed this video. You can also record video. This photo, let's take a photo. So photo has been captured. You can see this is the photo. This is the wide angle lens. You can see there is little bit of curved lines on the sides because this is a wide angle lens, so it is easily correctable in the any kind of image software, so it is not an issue. So guys, the pretty awesome camera. Now guys, we have to find out the serial number, as the serial number is very much necessary for registering the product
with the GoPro website. So you need to find out the serial number. So it's very difficult because the serial number is mentioned in the battery compartment, but I'm showing you this mnemonic card and this is the battery compartment. Don't know whether it's visible or not. The serial number is mentioned in this portion, so they're almost unreadable. It's not possible to read like this way. So there is another option, find out the serial number. So just turn on the camera. First go to preferences and then go to about, then go to camera info. Here you will get the serial number. So you can see
So guys, now I will show you a sample shot taken on my GoPro.